How to create the life that you want in 1 year. 1. Start by doing a life audit. Life audit is crucial for pinpointing where to make adjustments and jumpstarting your new journey. Start by figuring out where you stand in the 8 areas of life: health, finances, personal development, relationships, career, self-care, home life, and free time. What changes would make the biggest impact on your life? 2. Make a mindset shift. Your mindset is what sets the tone for everything in your life. Changing your mindset is what will change your life. What we think and believe is what we act upon. Change your perspective from now on. Anytime anything negative happens, instead of feeling like a victim, ask yourself what you can control or change. 3. Create a vision. Having a vision means we have a clear sense of purpose. It means we have a much larger picture of our business or our life than simply sitting and reaching short-term goals and tackling problems as they come along. Visions are driven by passion and dreams, and they are reflected through genuine efforts to create tangible results. 4. Work on yourself daily. Once you have your vision, the fog lifts and your roadmap starts to become clear again. But nobody is going to drive the car for you. You've got to put in the work to change your life. Consistently, daily practice is how you make that happen. If you water the plants just a little each day, over time a garden will grow. 5. Design your environment for success. If you want to change your life, you are not the only thing that has to change. Your environment has to change too. For example, if you hang out with other doers and people who want to see you succeed, there's a much higher chance that you will. 6. Learn new skills and improve upon your existing ones. Nothing will change your life faster than building new skills. Whatever the case, imagine a year where you start out having a limited skill set. Dedicate time during your day to building your skills. Learn them via books, videos, and podcasts, but don't forget to practice your skills too. 7. Avoid activities that negatively impact your life and hinder your success. I understand that you have big dreams of running a thriving business, being financially independent, and traveling. To make these dreams a reality, it's crucial to stay focused.